Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add sound into your video by CapCut application. So first thing you have to do now is just go open your CapCut application, and here's the look when you already open it. And after that, you just need to start a new project by click this new project, or you can also use your previous project that you already have. So here to show you the tutorial, I would like to use my previous project. Here you can see I already have the video, but there is no sound for my video yet. So the things that we have to do now to add a sound, you just need to go click this add audio, or you can also add this audio. It's just the same. This button will bring you the same tools. Okay, let's click it, and after that you just need to click sounds. In this sound, you just need to choose what type of songs that you want to add to. For example, a fresh. And wait a minute, now you already have an access into several sounds that you can use for your project. You just need to find out what musics or sounds that probably match with your video. Okay, I think this is quite good for my video. And after that, you just need to go click this plus button. And now we already add the sounds into our project, and let's see. Okay, and after that, we need to adjusting the length of the music. So just bring the straight lines into the end of the clip, and after that, you just need to go click this sounds part. And whenever the sounds part is already active, just need to click split, and now click delete. Now the length of the sounds is just the same with the length of the clip. So that's the way how to add sounds into your video by CapCut application. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.